What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to block all the websites in Windows 10. So for example, if you would like to block all of the websites with an exceptions of couple, like for example your kids are using certain websites to learn something, but you don't want them to have access to anything else besides that specific website. So I'm going to show you how to block all of the websites and put an exception for certain websites. We need to go to Control Panel, just click on Start and type Control Panel, and then open Control Panel app. And in here, we need to switch categories to small icons or large icons. And then we need to click on Internet Options. And in here, we need to click on Connections. And in Connections, we need to click on LAN Settings. And in here, we need to put a check mark next to Proxy Server. And then we need to type 127.0.0.1, and then in here we need to click on Advanced, and right here under Exception we need to put the address that we would like to have access to. So for example, let's put a YouTube, and then click OK, and then OK one more time, and then OK one more time. And let's test really quick. I'm just gonna open my Edge browser, and in here I'm gonna type google.com. And now you can see that I cannot connect to Google, but let's try YouTube. That's the one I put in an exception. And you can see I can connect to YouTube just fine. And let's try something else. Let's try, like for example, msn.com. And you can see that I cannot connect to msn.com. So now you can only access the websites, the one that you put in an exception. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.